To enter the data for antigen-based test, go to cvstatus.icmr.gov.in, enter your username and password and click Login. A page to add patient's information will appear. Enter the mandatory fields marked with asterisk: the patient ID, patient name, gender, age in years, months or days, contact number. Contact number belongs to email ID if there, nationality, Aadhaar number if applicable, state of residence. It is very important to mention the state correctly. Also mention the district correctly. It is very important to clearly mention patient's village, town or locality as well as the patient's address. This will help us in identifying the hotspot areas. Next, mention the patient's PIN code. Has the patient downloaded Arogya Setu app? Patient category. Was the patient quarantined? The date of sample collection and the time of sample collection. The date and time at which sample was received. The type of sample. Sample ID. Symptom status, if the person was symptomatic or asymptomatic. Rest of the fields are not mandatory. If the information is available, you can click on the date of onset of symptoms, any underlying medical condition, any symptoms that the person is showing, is the patient hospitalized. Then a very important field is date and time of sample testing. The testing kit used. Since everybody here will be doing antigen based tests, so you need to select the SD biosensor standard kit. Once you click this kit, the e-gene and the confirmatory test will be disabled. You will not be able to enter data here. So you just have to select the antigen testing result. In the final result, select antigen positive or antigen negative. If you select antigen positive, there will be a dialog box which will ask for confirmation, because an antigen positive will be marked as a confirmed positive. So are you sure the patient status would be marked as confirmed positive? If you are sure, click OK. Very carefully fill this field because you will not be able to edit the result once it is entered. So if it is a confirmed positive case, click OK and then click Submit. If the testing result is negative, after selecting the appropriate testing kit, which is the SD Biosensor Standard Detection Kit, go to the antigen testing result. In the option, select antigen negative. On successful submission, a dialog box mentioning that for symptomatic cases RT-PCR test is recommended will come. Please follow the instructions.